Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I want to quickly talk about the different versions of the ASP.NET and why we need to select the ASP.NET Core. So let's dig in. As you see over here, we have two main versions or two main groups of the ASP.NET technology. The first one is the ASP.NET with the .NET framework. So if you want to design the website and if you want to use the ASP.NET with the .NET framework technology, this is the older technology and it has up to 20 years old since 2002. And the next one is the ASP.NET Core. This is the newer version of the ASP.NET with the .NET Framework technology. So the first release of the ASP.NET Core is about 2016. And the .NET Core supports the newer technologies and newer devices. So for better understanding, I have something like this over here. Let's compare the ASP.NET with the ASP.NET Core in details. As you see over here, the ASP.NET is based on the .NET Framework technology, something like the 2.03 up to 4.8. But after releasing the .NET Framework 4.8, the Microsoft had stopped developing and updating this technology. So if you want to get access to the future of the technology, the best option is the .NET Core. So in the ASP.NET Core, we have the .NET Core from the 2 up to 5, 6, and the newer versions. And my favorite one is the .NET Core 6. And the next one is that the ASP.NET websites only can be executed and published on the Windows servers. So we can't publish the ASP.NET with the .NET Framework technology on the Linux or the Mac servers. We can only use the Windows servers. Despite of this, I have the multi-platform for the .NET Core websites, and we can easily publish that on the Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems and the servers. The ASP.NET is not the open source technology, but the ASP.NET Core is the open source, so you can easily customize it based on your needs. As you see, the ASP.NET is fast, but the website with the ASP.NET Core is faster. So the fast for the ASP.NET and the faster for the ASP.NET Core. And the websites of the ASP.NET only can be executed on the IIS. The IIS, as you know, is the web server for the Windows operating systems. But the .NET Core websites can be executed on the IIS, the Kestrel, Nginx, and other web servers. So it supports the wide range of the web servers if we want to publish our website after creating and after finishing that. And the ASP.NET with the .NET Framework supports the web forms. The web form is the older version of designing the website. It is older version, but there is many millions of the people and the web programmers that are using this great and amazing technology. Personally, I have used the web forms in many enterprise websites and web designs. And currently I'm using it and really love it. But the ASP.NET Core doesn't support the web forms. Instead of that, we have the Razor pages and all the technologies. So the web forms are available in the .NET Framework and the ASP.NET, but we haven't such technology in the ASP.NET Core. Also, we have the web forms, the MVC, and all the technologies that can be used in the ASP.NET. In addition, we have the MVC, the newer version of it, and also the Razor pages. This is really great technology and you can use it to create the most modern websites and the web pages, and also other technologies like the Blazor and so on. So there's a really simple question. Sir, which technology is great for me? If you currently are working on the company that needs the web form, so don't hesitate to use the ASP.NET with the .NET Framework. And if you don't need the web form, don't hesitate to use the ASP.NET Core. In the ASP.NET Core, we can create and publish the websites for the wide range of the technologies and devices. And also you can use the most up-to-date versions of all the technologies and of the tools in your website design. And don't forget this really tricky note. The Microsoft officially stopped updating the .NET framework. So if you want to get access to the future of the technologies, and if you want to be proud of yourself, don't hesitate to start learning the ASP.NET Core. And if you are insisting of using the web form, you can refer to my other course. I have another course about the web forms and how to work with the ASP.NET web forms. So the main concern of this course is about how to start working with the ASP.NET Core. So everything is ready for us to start working with the ASP.NET Core. Why waiting? Let's get started.